Hey there, drone fans. Rick here again from Drone Valley. Today is the second day in our 12 Days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways, and we've got a really cool prize for you today. But before I get to this, how does Darth Vader know what everybody's getting for Christmas? Because he can feel their presence. On the second day of Christmas, Drone Valley gave to me a brand new Tello drone. You've got to be kidding. No, we're giving away a Tello drone. This is the first drone of many we'll be giving away in these 12 days of Drone Valley Christmas, so stay tuned because there's bigger ones coming. Anyway, the Tello, you might be thinking, gee, Rick, the Tello's a couple of years old. It can't possibly be that cool a drone. This is a phenomenal drone. I still fly it almost every week in the house. Now, it's not the best drone to take outside, especially if you have a 60-mile-an-hour wind. Don't put this thing up because it's going to go up and follow the wind and you'll never see it again. But flying inside your house in these cold winter months when it's raining and snowing outside, you can't get outside and you're itching to fly, this is the perfect quad to be flying in the house because it's responsive, it's smart, it's got height positioning, it'll stream 720p video. If you take it outside on a windless day, you can fly at 100 meters, you can go 30 meters up in the air. It's just a whole lot of fun to fly. You'll get about 13 minutes of flight time out of it. And the reason it's perfect for flying in the house is because even though it's incredibly responsive, it's got visual positioning on it, so it'll hold its position in 3D space. You can run it smack dab into a lamp and you're not going to knock it over, so it's pretty kid friendly, especially if you're using the propeller guards which come with it. It charges over a micro USB, and again, 13 minutes of flight time is pretty generous for a little quad like this. The best part for me is that it's programmable, so if you have a couple of little nerds running around the house, you can teach them programming skills by putting together really simple programs that'll lift it off the ground, have it fly 10 feet to the left and land again. And there's nothing cooler than having a flying robot in the house that you can program and actually do stuff with. So it's a wonderful quad. We fly it all the time here at the shop and have a lot of fun with it. So we're giving one of these away. The contest is incredibly simple, like I say every time. Below you'll find a link. Hit that link, enter your email address and your YouTube subscriber name, and that gives me 2 ways to get a hold of you if you win the contest. We're going to keep all those names for 7 days. At the end of 7 days, we're going to close the contest. We'll pull a name out at random, and then we'll get rid of all the emails. We're not going to hang on to those. I know a lot of people are worried about giving their email out. We're not keeping them. We're not going to spam you. It's just so I can get in contact with you to send you the Tello. Once we pick that winner, we're going to put it in a box. We'll ship it to you. I don't care where in the world you live. I always have a lot of fun with this, but you could live in a houseboat on Lake Titicaca, and that's a whole lot of fun to say, but we'll get it to you. I don't really care. As long as the post office gets there, we'll deliver it to you. Could be anywhere in the world, doesn't have to be in the US. So enter the contest. Again, no strings attached, no shenanigans. We're not asking for shipping costs. It's just our way of giving back to the community because we love drones and we love the viewers that are on this channel that give us feedback and watch our clips and tell us what we should be doing next. Sometimes they yell at us. If you yell at us, you're going to get a lump of coal in your stocking this year. But anyway, we have a lot of fun doing these every year. And again, I love so much this time of year because it gives us a chance to give back to the community, which is a big part of what we like to do. So anyway, enter the contest. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button down there. We've got 10 more contests coming, and I've got some incredibly cool drones, bigger drones coming as part of this contest, and a whole lot of other high-tech, nerdy stuff that you're definitely going to want to play around with. So anyway, that's it for today. Thank you so much for all the support you've shown us this year, and I know I'm being a little bit goofy in these clips, but I love this time of year, and I just can't, it's unbridled joy that comes out. I can't contain it, and it gives me a chance to be a little bit goofy. So anyway, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy flying.